In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello, a fantastic project management software designed for beginners. Trello is a versatile tool that helps you organize and manage your projects visually, making it easier to track progress and collaborate with your team. So let's dive right in and get started with setting up your first Trello board. First, head over to Trello.com on your web browser. Once there, you'll need to either sign up for a new account or log into an existing one. You can easily do this by using your email address or opting to connect via your Google account, which streamlines the login process. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello boards page. This is where the magic begins. Now let's create a new board. You'll see an option to create a board on your home page. Click on that, and a window will pop up asking for a title and visibility settings for your new board. Naming is crucial, so choose a title that accurately reflects the project or task you want to manage. You also need to decide whether the board should be private or public, depending on who you want to share it with. With your board set up, the next step is organizing your tasks using lists. Lists are columns that help you categorize different stages of your project. For example, you might have lists like to do, in progress, and done. To create a list, simply click on the Add a List option and enter a suitable name. Repeat this for each stage or category you need. Once your lists are ready, you can start adding cards. Cards represent individual tasks or pieces of work that need to be completed. To add a card, click Add a Card under the relevant list and type the task name. But it doesn't stop there. Cards are highly customizable. You can click on any card to open it and add more details, such as descriptions, due dates, and attachments. You can also assign specific team members to a card, ensuring everyone knows who is responsible for each task. As work progresses, you'll likely need to update your board by moving cards from one list to another. This is simple with Trello's drag and drop feature. Just click and hold a card, then drag it to the appropriate list as you complete each task. This visual representation of progress can be incredibly satisfying and keeps everyone aligned on the project's status. Finally, collaboration is key to any project's success. At the top of your board, you'll find an invite button. Clicking this allows you to invite team members to join your board and collaborate together. Just enter their email addresses and you'll be able to work as a team seamlessly. And there you have it. You now have the basics of Trello covered, putting you on the path to being organized and productive. Whether you're managing a personal project or a complex team initiative, Trello is here to assist at every step. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.